Hi, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. We're getting closer to the end of the school year. So today what we're going to do is, for your reading activity, we worked with IE, correct? Remember IE? When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. You hear the I, not the E. Well, guess what? There's an exception to that rule. Sometimes IE can make the E sound, okay? Like chief, CHIEF, or thief, or shield. So sometimes they make the E sound. You're going to do a little reading passage on IE that makes the long E sound. And then you're going to answer questions. That's for reading. Then for phonics, you're going to watch an IE video that gives you a bunch of examples of different IE words. Because remember, usually it's long I, but in this video, it's going to show you some examples of when it's long E. And then you'll read long E sentences and pick the correct long E word to finish that sentence. That's for phonics. For writing, yesterday we did pronouns like he, she, it, they, we, them, him, her, and they take the place of a noun. Remember, pronouns. Nouns are words that are words that are person, place, thing, or animal. And pronouns take the place of nouns. That's a good way to remember that. Well, today you're going to do, we'll come back to pronouns, but today you're going to do a writing activity, a spring writing. So you're just going to look at a picture, tell me what's happening in the picture, maybe make a little story up about it, be creative, and then be sure that you have capital letters and end marks where they belong, and tell me what's going on in the picture. Make sure it makes sense. Make sure you have a subject and an action part. Tell me who it's about and what they're doing, okay? Then for math, we talked yesterday about equal parts. Equal parts means that it's the same amount of each in each section. So that means like if you have a pizza and you cut it up into pieces, it would only be fair for us to share it as if they were equal pieces. It won't be fair if you had a real big piece and I had a little piece, okay? So think of it that way. Equal parts mean that it's fair for everyone, same amount for everybody. So what you're going to do today for math is you're going to watch a little video called My Dog Fraction Video, and it goes over to different types of fractions. Fractions are equal parts, and it tells you about a part that's shaded. So look at this example. We have the word fractions, okay? 1 with a line and a 2 is 1/2. 1/2 means that 1 out of 2 is colored in. Look here, I have the same shape drawn 3 times. Here it's separated into 2 equal parts. The bottom number tells you how many equal parts that there are. The top number tells you how many are colored in. So how many are colored in? 1 out of 2, 1/2. You don't say 1/2s, you say 1/2 for when it's 2 equal parts. Then here, same size shape, but now if you look at the bottom number, it tells you how many equal parts there are. 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. The top number tells you how many are colored in. 1 out of 3 is colored in. If another one was colored in, it'd be 2 out of 3, 2/3. But here there's only 1 colored in, so it's 1 out of 3, 1/3. Think of like 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th grade, like when you're saying your bottom number. If it's 3, it'd be 3rd, like 3rd grade. 4, you would say 4, you'd say 1/4. Put the ending on that, okay? So here, 4 equal parts. How many are colored in? I don't always have to color in that first one. Color in any of them to show that part of it's taken out. How many are colored in or shaded? 1 out of 4. 1/4. 1 tells me how many are colored in. 4 tells me how many equal parts there are. Okay? And down here I just have bottom number tells you how many equal parts. Remember? How many equal parts is there here? 2. How many equal parts are there here? 3. How many equal parts are here? 4. And the top number tells you how many are shaded in. How many are shaded in here? 1, 1, 1. That's it. So you're going to watch a video and then do a little activity of sorting. So you'll look at a shape. For example, let's say I have this shape. What would I put that at? Is it 1/2 or 1/3? 1 out of how many equal parts? 2. So it would be 1/2 is shaded. So that would be my answer. Okay? Let's say I have this shape. Another circle. How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are colored in? 1. 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 4? 1 out of 4. So 1/4 would be my answer. You're going to look at each shape and tell me where it belongs and click and drag it. And then just for another fact fluency practice, we're going to do some double-digit subtraction. Remember, always start with the ones place value and work your way to the left. Okay? Start at the ones, subtract the two numbers that are above and below each other, and then go to the tens and subtract the two numbers that are above and below each other. Okay? That's your work for today. Your question for today that you're going to comment below is a math problem. 3-digit numbers, three-digit addition. 3 plus 1 plus 4. Remember, group the two numbers, add these two first, then take that answer and add it to the third number. Okay? Tell me down below what that answer is. Again, it's 3 plus 1 plus 4. Write that down somewhere. Okay? Have a great Tuesday. The sun is shining. I hope it stays out. I'll see you later. Bye.